Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to add and how to remove a shortcut to change keyboard function in Realme 14x phone. To quick settings, excuse me. Where to find quick settings? From on the right side of the screen, we need to swipe top to bottom, and here they are. How to add more? We need to tap the pencil icon in the bottom left, and here we have our shortcuts. So we are looking for the change keyboard function. Where it is? It is. So we need to tap it once, and it will appear here. So when we back out, it will be visible in our quick settings menu. Now, how to remove it? In the same way, we need to tap the pencil icon, then tap the minus symbol on the change keyboard shortcut, and when we back out, it will be gone. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.